Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights before you begin, so confirm your user is in the administrators group. Once confirmed, open Start and type CMD. Do not press Enter yet. Instead, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter or right-click and choose Run as administrator to elevate. Grant the user account control prompt when it appears because that step gives the shell full system privilege. This immediate elevation is necessary to run system-level tools like SFC and DISM without permission errors. If Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter isn't convenient, press Win plus X and then to launch an elevated console quickly. That works on most modern Windows builds. Alternatively, open Task Manager, go to File, right arrow, Run New Task, enter CMD, EXE, and check Create this task with administrative privileges. This bypasses some Start menu issues. For repeat use, make an elevated shortcut or register a scheduled task to run with highest privileges. These methods help when you need consistent elevated access for scripts or troubleshooting. Once your elevated window is open, confirm it by checking the title bar for administrator or run whoami/priv to verify privileges. Run the commands you need: sfc/scano, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, or net user changes. Then close the console when finished to avoid accidental system changes. If you cannot elevate due to UAC or policy restrictions, try enabling the built-in administrator in safe mode or review group policy settings. That single troubleshooting step often resolves permission roadblocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.